past and curious car stand they've got. They've got the Dodge Charger here. Let's have a wander down on the sides and trying to see if I can come round a bit. Sorry. That's right. Come over here. So I've got their Past and Curious Club. I've got their Dodge Charger here today. Their Hot Wheels 440. They've also got their van here. It's their interior, their car. Lovely thing this is. That's all. The Dodge Charger they've got here. They've also got their Ford Mustang here. They've also got their van over there, their Past and Curious van. Wandered just down there past it. They've also got their Past and Curious stand here. Doing some advertising for them. Also got their, so they got their stand here today. Past and Curious stand. They're selling quite a lot. You know, I've got their, you know, you can see they've got T-shirts. They've got all sorts. You know, also got a website you can buy from as well. I'll come down, just come down here and show you. That's who they are. Show you their banner. That's their banner here. They're Past and Curious. And they've got all T-shirts on here today for sale, and all sorts of bits and pieces, you know, that I've got here, you know, on their stall. We've also got in the next to it, you know, so that I've taken some photos of this. They've got the Austin 7's car club here. The Austin 7. They've got about 4 vehicles here, with the Austin 7s here today. I'll just have a wander down here. Got the Austin 7 Centre. Yes. Just have a wander up to everyone here. Yeah, they've got the Austin, you know, four rows of Austin 7s here today. Brilliant. Just keep wandering up here past the Past and Curious. I say they're another great car club. They stage their own car show each year. They've got one doing this later this year of August. Just keep wandering along here. Got that one, so that's one. Just wander around here. So that's their Charger they've got. And everyone's mulling around their van. It's quite something different inside. They've got all their stuff. Trying to, okay, that's their guys there. Just come around to them. Everyone mulling around. Just have a wander down here. I think I showed you all this earlier on today. This is another, this is part of still caffeine gasoline. This is Past and Curious, another car club. This one's really strange. This is really odd. This is. It's actually on the side of it. Come around here. Really strange thing. not sure of what it is, but it's British built. It's for sale for 12,500 or near offer. Phone number you can contact if you're interested in that. But yeah, there is still a, as everyone can see, if you come back round here, there's still a lot of people here at the Eastbourne car show of Sunday the 1st of May here. It's done really well this year for itself, as they're back on track this year, and everyone's here, and it's a lovely day here at Eastbourne car show. Just gonna jacket in there, trying to swing around, yeah, so you've got all the caterhams, so you've got caterham 7s all in a row here, a whole load of them in a row, all caterham 7s here. You've got all different caterhams all set out in a row. They've got all their car club, see here today. Just going on a wander up, everyone here. You've got, as far as the BMW you can see. You've got all rows and rows of caterhams, as far as up here, next to the BMW. Yeah, keep wandering down a little bit here. Do hit the like button on my video channel, and do subscribe to it as well. Please do. Car Media Kent video channel, and do have a look at my website as well, carmediakent.weebly.com. This is the Mazda stand at Eastbourne's car show. Have a wander down here. These have got quite a lot of cars on display here today. Here you've got all sorts of Mazdas, different years, different spec and models here as well. On the back of it says MX5 Owns Club. You've got all sorts of different Mazdas here. One 30th anniversary. Just going to wander here. Keep wandering down here. Another one here. Look at that. He's got flags on his. Got all these down here. All keep wandering. Got another one here in white, done 20 on, like a racing style. This one here. Going to wander, going to walk, swing around here. We've got their flags flying up on their Mazda. Got a little bear inside. All lovely little cars, little sports cars, they really are. Let's go walk down here. Swing around along here. onto the front, and we'll walk along to the end. Look at that. Now that's something different. Have a look at this. It's built, got like little plastic eyes on the front of that. That is a bit different. That is on the headlights. Oh. Look at that engine. I mean, look at this. In a little mid-engine sports car. That's really something. That is. Come along here to the side, and people have a look at that. Keep walking down here, and wander to the end. End of. Wandering along here at the moment. Some of these got here. Swing around here. Let's Monaco, and these have been everywhere in their car. Look at that, look at the interior of that, and that is, look a bit something, that looks a bit, wow.
Yeah, you won't see another one like this.
Just wander along the side here, so that this is the one with the, got the eyes on it. But all the owners club all set up the back their cars. Several ones down the front, and some of them. So there's a passing by. Around here. Now you've got all these right up to the end row of this one at the end here. There's one down here. That.
No worries. Alright.
Yeah, so BMX Owners Club got quite a lot of cars here today at Eastbourne's car show. The last day of the car show here up until next year. I will be going later on to Bexhill's car show of August Bank Holiday, Monday. So I should be doing some more videos there and some more photography. So keep looking on my web page and my video page too, and more videos will be appearing soon as.